Hello, and welcome to Jamila's Stamping Grounds. Today I would like to show you how to accomplish this faux postage technique that I've used on the card. These 6 squares here give you the illusion of postage stamps. So to begin, what you will need is your postage stamp punch and some cardstock so that you can punch out 6 squares to create our look-alike stamps. So I'm going to put them all out along in a row here because the idea is you're going to create the same image on each stamp. Today I'm going to use the Butterfly Basics, which is a great stamp set to be able to create sort of a mosaic background for our stamps. The first image that I'm going to do with my crumb cake ink is going to be the fern from this stamp set, and I will ink up just the end of it and then I will stamp it down on each square in exactly the same position all the way along. And that's how you're going to create this postage image, because you're going to create the same image on each little square and then we're going to put them together. And if it's not exactly perfect in the exact perfect spot, that's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Marina Mist and I'm going to use that with the honeycomb image that I have here. And I'm going to stamp it off actually a couple of times before I put it on my image. And there we have it. And if you want it even lighter, you can stamp off more. And you can see how I'm going to carry that along all the way over. And you would continue on each one. Then I would take the next image, which is going to be the little line with our island indigo, and I'm going to use this stamp here, and I'm going to use full ink strength for that one, and go like that. Yes, that one isn't quite in the same spot as the other ones, but that's okay, it gives you the same idea. And you continue on with our last image, and here they are. If I was to show them all to you completed, you would have all of your images here along in a row. And what I have also done to finish off each square is distressed them with some ink. And I haven't done this one here. Oops, here we go. So I will just show you that I would get my sponge and I would ink up the edges like this, and it just gives all of them a uniform look together. And I usually, whatever ink I'm distressing with is also the ink that I use as my background paper. So there, I've now distressed the edges of that one, and it will be along with all of the other ones. So then you can take those and you would get yourself a piece of cardstock. I used crumb cake here. It's about 2 1/4 or maybe 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. And you would butt them right up against each other as you glue them together to form that little sheet that looks like faux postage. Here's a couple other examples that I have done in the past that give you sort of an idea of that stamp's faux postage look. So thank you for joining me today on Jamila's Stamping Grounds to learn about the technique faux postage.